Hey YouTube, I'm Peaches the Twistin' Barber, and welcome to my channel. I want to create a Boho Loc Bob today on my client Chloe. I'm using Teeth braiding gel. It's one of my favorite dry lock gels for heavy to hard to hold hair, 4C texture, extra thick in density. I will be applying some to the ends of this human hair strand that I'm adding on for the boho effect today. Adding on the gel to the ends of the braiding hair helps as I twist down. It helps it blend in perfectly with the lock so it doesn't stick up bluntly. You want it to blend in and stretch it down some so that when a client goes to style them or moisturize them, they don't pull them out, okay? So what you see me doing right here is you see me applying the gel to the base of the lock and twisting the locks together. Chloe's favorite style here lately has been the loc bob. Her locks have grown a lot over the years. Everybody always wants long locks until they really get there. So now that her hair has grown so much and it's become heavy, loc bobs have been her go-to style. It helps keep her locks up and out of the way. Give them fun, feminine style for the girls. So you see me using no clips here. I'm just applying the product, palm rolling down. Not over twisting. You don't see the lock overlapping. You see me twisting down here. Her hair is also wet. You get better traction with the locks for doing twist styles. So make sure to do the client's hair wet, okay? You see me doing a double twist here. So I'm blending in the braid hair here, right? You see it? You see the gel there on the end? You see how the hair is extended down? I'm not just using just the bottom. This piece here is to give the boho effect, okay? So we're going to twist down. You want to twist down until you reach the length of where you want your knots to be, okay? So we're just twisting down. I am going around the perimeter, bricklaying the locks. As you see them in doubles, but you see them, the parts kind of staggering over each other. So to create fullness, okay? So as you go around, as you pull out your two strands for your twisting, make sure that they're staggered, okay? Make sure not to lay them one on top of the other so that it looks full, okay? I am in the top here. I have added some pieces into the top with the crochet hook. I'm twisting down. Bear with me, y'all. I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to filming. I promise I'm going to get better. Okay. I'm saving some pieces around the top as I'm going in and I'm framing her face. You see me using the dry lock gel. And again, dry lock gel isn't good for everyone, okay? It depends on lifestyle. Especially, does your client tie their hair up at night? Better yet, do you tie your hair up at night? And I'm not talking bonnets. I fucking hate them. Throw the bonnets in the trash, ladies. Go back to scarves. Twisting it down. Okay. Sped it up here for y'all a little bit. Taking that crochet hook, pulling the piece into the base, applying the dry lock gel again, twisting it down into it, And these curls here at the end are just to frame her face. Okay. Now we added another piece in. Guys, I went around and I did the sides first. I then went into the back. And I saved the top for last for filling it in. The last piece, here I'm using the crochet hook again. Taking that piece and twisting it down with the product. You see it? It looks like it's coming out of the scalp, baby. Coming out of the scalp. Coming up out of the scalp. Twist that thing down. I'm not sure if you can see my fingers, but I double twist. Again, her locks are wet. We just got done doing her shampoo. You see my chair over there. You see the pillow. It's my little shampoo chair. That was the last one. We got them all down. There you go. Look at that. It's cute like that, right? So if you can see, you look at them, they're all twisted down pretty much to the area where I want the length of the bob to be. Now we're going to roll these ends up. It's important that you, your client, you keep your head up. Because if you don't keep your head up or straight, you will create height in the back. So it's important to keep your head up straight. I am now going around and I'm taking those pieces and I am using my razor. Okay. We're layering the curly pieces. I like to layer them right with the length of the bob or maybe just a little up higher so it creates a nice fullness. Again, you see how they're staggered. Her locks look nice and full. Her locks are already long. So you don't want the two strands to be stacked on top of each other. Then it'll look really big in the back. And there you go. Loc Bob, Boho, traditional locks. Like, comment, please subscribe. Back with more later.